Welcome to Hasini and Friends channel. Today I am telling about walkie talkie. Let's start. This is the Barbie Walkie Talkie.
This is the Barbie Walkie Talkie. Let's open this.
Now I am removing the screws and I am insert the batteries. The two walkie talkies need 6 batteries. The walkie talkies has 2 buttons. One is for on and off and another one is for conversation. In the last of the video, I am showing the conversation between me and my friend. If you see my video first time, please go to my channel and like, share, comment my videos and subscribe to my channel.
This is the walkie talkie.
Now we are showing with our conversation. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to our channel.
How
are you?
fine.
My channel name is Hasini and Friends channel.
Subscribe to
Our channel. Thanks for watching.